Good afternoon. I just took this simulator of the Red Arrows. Not sure as good as the one in Silverstone, but I'll just let the camera do the talking.
To Val Lawrence and Kev Lawrence, and they'd like to hear Twist and Shout by the Beatles, so we'll see what we can do for Val Lawrence and Kev Lawrence from Terry. Thanks for getting in touch with us.
Not as well done as the one in Silverstone with the Lewis Hamilton. So.
Rolls-Royce there as he flies along the beach, and it's hard to believe, Ian, that after she served this beautiful Mustang.
So I'm here in Clacton on Sea for the air show, and this air show is much better than the one at the Herne Bay, and no comparison. Here we go.
By the Oklahoma Air National Guard in Tulsa in 1948, and she served with the fighter squadron out there for some years before being taken into storage again, and then eventually making her way over to the UK and joining Hangar 11 at North Weald in 2003 when Peter put the wonderful red tail fin back on her.
Well done, Peter, and thank you so much. Let's have a round of applause for Peter Teichmann in his Mustang. Clacton Air Show, BBC Essex, and it's really good to have your company. On the commentary point now,
we have kids in the back who are screaming.
Peter and Chris from the Twisted duo.
One said, "Mommy, I'm going to get sad."
With your flying.
It really wasn't that bad.
For you, isn't it?
Yep, we're doing this evening's pyro show.
It's good to support this British Royal Air Force, I guess.
I love the bit when you guys were, who was flying inverted and who was flying the right way up. You were cockpit to cockpit. You could have almost had a chat. You were so close.
Yes, I have the job of flying just right underneath Peter, and I can see right inside his cockpit, all the instruments, everything. Yeah, you could almost pass something across to him.
It looks close enough. And Peter, as the team leader, you're shouting the commands, are you, to Chris?
Basically, yes. My function is to guide the team, and Chris's function is not to hit me.
Well, you did all right, didn't you, so far?
It's worked out okay so far. Just one down, one to go.
What do you prefer, a display like this, seeing the beach absolutely packed and the sunshine gleaming on the cockpit, or tonight with the pyros?
Well, it's very interesting because technically the pyro show is not very difficult to do, whereas the daytime show is very difficult. So I prefer doing the daytime show. But from a spectacle point of view, the evening pyro show is much more spectacular. So you get much more reaction.
Thank you both. We look forward to seeing you later. That's Piss. And Peter from the wonderful Twister duo. Now, Sam, listeners at home and people here on the seafront, the arrival of our next piece of entertainment.
Absolutely, you were taken over there by the Strike Master, flown by Mark Tree this afternoon. This aircraft is a British Aircraft Corporation. It's built in Lancashire, and it was really the ground attack export version of the Jet Provost. It was never operated by the RAF, but was used extensively by air forces as diverse as Ecuador, Oman and New Zealand. So arriving in dramatic style there at 100 feet above the sea, with 350 knot pass high mark, then twirled away in a half Cuban. As he passed us just now at 100 feet away from the crowd, he's pulling 5
I didn't realize it lasted that long.
as he exits and climbs up into a derry turn.
Maybe that's it.
He's going to make his way back down the beach. Get your cameras at the ready.
About 4 minutes. Here they
Comes up
come.
into a barrel roll.
Sylvie.
Sitting up there with the smoke trailing.